Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Things where I talk about random things, do unboxing videos and whatnot. Yeah, yesterday I got this Saber Wild bear spray, bear attack deterrent. Yeah, so I was gonna bring this to backpacking, overnight backpacking, but yeah, I just wanted something, to put it in, to carry it around with, because I don't want to like put this in my pocket or you know just carry it around my hand while hiking. So got this holster. I'm gonna probably try to attach it to my backpack somehow or my belt. Actually, I'm not gonna wear any belts, but yeah, it's got this straps, Velcro straps that you can kind of, put it on the backpack strap or whatever. And it's got different pockets. There was one smaller than this, but I got this one because I like the fact that it's got different utility. So it's got this side pocket that you can put the air horn. Because somebody yesterday was suggesting to me that I would buy air horn as well, and it could be more effective in some conditions where, if there's wind, coming at you, then this could actually be less effective, and it could actually hurt you, so on and so forth. And if you're not close enough, this would work better as a deterrent when bear is around. So we got this as an alternative. This, I don't think this expires. No, I don't see how, unless the pressure escapes or whatever. But I don't think it's pressurized. Is it? Not sure. But anyways, yeah, this one has an expiry date. Bought it yesterday, but November 2029. So still got some time there, but the bear canister would go in here. Wow. The Velcro is quite hard to open. Like so. And I'll take it out and put this on here as well. And then carry it around like that. Alright. So, quick video there. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me if you have ever encountered a bear in the wild, or any stories you got with the bear spray. Would be nice as well. Leave some comments. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. All of that. Thanks. Bye.